Hi everyone, your wine coach Javi here.
Hi, I'm Chef Gery Castro. How are you today? And today for food and wine pairing, I'm gonna be sharing with you one of my recipes that I enjoy and love. So this is a version of shrimp scampi. So here I got 2 tablespoons of a really good extra virgin olive oil from Amizetta Vineyards. I got some shallots, garlic, going on the pan, nice and hot. I wanna add a teaspoon pepper flakes, cherry tomatoes, just for color, right?
Beautiful color in there.
And then I also got some capers. Beautiful
That's gonna add
capers.
a little citrus flavor.
Absolutely. So I rinse them a little bit because they tend to be a little salty.
No, it's just that like it smells wonderful.
It smells good.
Yeah.
So as you can tell right now, I got my garlic sweating. Sort of like kind of right when it's starting to get a nice translucent and caramelized. I got my shrimp. I got my secret seasoning here. Not a secret seasoning, but it's a Cajun spice that I put together for all of you today.
What are the spices that you mix here, Chef?
So it's paprika, smoked paprika, regular paprika. I got a little bit of thyme. I got oregano, granulated garlic, salt, pepper, and a little bit of pepper flakes.
Is this gonna make it a spicy, like spicy hot, or just for flavor?
Just for flavor, you know. And here I got our Sauvignon Blanc. I want to cook the wine down just to burn the alcohol in. Reduce it. As you can start burning all the alcohol in.
It's like a show. It's like one of those beautiful
You see
TV
now,
shows.
you see where the flame, all those cherry tomatoes got nice and sharp.
Oh wow.
That's the intention of it. I'm gonna go ahead and reduce the sauce a little longer. And then after this, a couple more seconds, I'm gonna hit out my shrimp. Shrimp, this is a really small shrimp. This will take literally 10 seconds to cook. And so while this cooking, tell us what we have today for a pairing.
Oh, thank you, Chef. Absolutely. So our sponsored winery today is Amizetta Family Winery Vineyards. It's a small production. They only make 13 barrels out of this beautiful Sauvignon Blanc. It's also planted in Roquefort, and I'm highlighting Roquefort because Roquefort is normally used as a region, generally speaking, to plant Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, the Bordeaux varietals. But in this case, the family has decided to put Sauvignon Blanc for being a little bit more of a small production, family-owned winery. I think it's incredible, and it's got this body, it's got the way, it's got the flavors that you're looking for this fantastic dish.
Amazing. I cannot wait. So this is just about to be ready. And all this wine is nice and reduced.
Yeah, Chef, another thing that I wanted to share with you is that because these guys are in the mountainside, all the other reds that they produce are going to have a thick body. They're going to be robust. So this is on the lower float. So this is going to be rich in flavor, but not like heavy astringent or super grassy or vicious. Because in Napa we get nice sun, so it's going to have those tropical notes. And these, and it's the flavors that we're looking for.
Thank you.
Leave this here for you, Chef.
Thank you
So
much.
that we can clean our palate, because when you're going to do food and wine pairings, you always want to get your palate ready, calibrated to the acidity of the wine, so that way when you bring in these flavors of the food, it sits on a clean palate.
Very clean, very crisp. This is gonna be fantastic with
You
this.
see how it has those tropical notes, little pineapple, little kiwi in there,
Yeah.
but it also has a very good acidity that cleans your, so like my tongue right now feels so clean, and it's starting salivating, so like I'm already craving this beautiful food. And that's when food and wine make sense, because to me wine is 50% and food is 50% of the equation. But when you are able to integrate, and when you're able to bring them and combine them in a way that they don't compete with each other, then you have a full wine and food experience.
Absolutely.
And it's just not food, it's the experience. So here I noticed that you have the rice with, is it garlic or do you put something in there?
Shallots,
But it's just steamed rice, just for
Yeah.
our fans.
So steamed rice basically is 1-to-1 ratio. So I tend to leave it a little drier, a little more on the dry side, because yes, I wanna finish it up with a little bit of one of my touch, and it's not a secret, but it has a little bit of oatmeal. So just for fiber, color, texture. I thought it will go really well with a Worcestershire Sauvignon Blanc. All the ingredients that I just literally cooked.
I'm loving this dish, chef, and I like the fact that it has the spice as a layer, not as a like taking over the dish. But it also, I like the shallots in there, that it gives that sort of a sweet texture as
Sweet.
opposed to like very oniony.
Absolutely.
Wow, very good
Well,
job, chef.
thank you so much. Well, cheers. Thanks so
Cheers.
much for watching. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Chef Gery Castro. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon.
Cheers.